How to remove all Roblox friends at once. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to remove Roblox friends all at once. So first of all, just open the Roblox account, and after that just simply log into your account. And if you are doing these steps in your mobile application in the Roblox app, you need to follow the similar step that I'm showing you on screen right now, because the process is quite similar. And once you're logged in into your account, you will be able to see the friends list on the top of the page. Since my Roblox account is brand new, you won't be able to see my friends over here because I don't have any friends in my Roblox account as of now. If you won't be able to see your friends in the home screen, you need to click on the profile section from the top right corner. And after that, just simply open your profile, and in your profile section you will be able to see your friends, your followers, and the followings that you are doing in the Roblox account. Since as you can see that I don't have any friends and followers in my Roblox account as of now, but if you have them, you will be able to see the list of the friends that you have right here. And right beside the friends, you will be able to see this 3-dot icon as you're seeing right now. You just simply have to click on it and just simply click on remove friend, and that's how your friend will be removed from your Roblox account permanently. So this is basically how you will be able to remove friends from your Roblox account quite easily. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.